Hello, good evening. Tanisha, please confirm if I'm audible to you. All right, Tanisha. Tanisha, I'll wait for 3 more minutes so that other student could also join and then we'll start the session.
Yes.
All right, Tanisha. Let's start the session. So in the previous class, we started this chapter, depreciation. And in the previous session, we also we discussed the basic concept of depreciation, wherein we covered the meaning of depreciation. And I told you that depreciation can be defined as the reduction in the value of any tangible asset because of the usage of such asset or due to the passage of time, obsolescence of any particular asset. That means if any asset get outdated over the period of time, or if the technology get outdated, that is called obsolescence. Or the value of the asset may also decrease because of the accident. So because of any factor, if there is reduction in the price of any asset, that is called depreciation. And as I told you, depreciation is permanent and continuing and gradual. That means we just cannot avoid depreciation. It is a continuing, ongoing process. Then, when it comes to the calculation of depreciation, I told you that in order to calculate depreciation, we need to have at least three information. First of all, we should have the information about the life of the asset, cost of asset, and the salvage or the scrap value of the asset. Then we covered two methods of calculating depreciation. One is the SLM method or straight line method, then we have the written down value method. SLM method is also known as fixed installment or the equal installment method, and written down value method or WDV method is also called reducing balance method or diminishing balance method. We have started a straight line method, and I told you that in order to calculate depreciation by this method, we need to apply this formula: cost of asset minus scrap value divided by the life of the asset. All right. So, and I think we also did a question based on the same concept. We did SLM. We did this question number one. Apart from this, I think we also did this question number two, right? Yes or no? I think we have already completed this one. And as far as I'm able to recall, I think I have given you one question for the homework as well. So before moving forward, just wanted to confirm whether you were able to solve this question or not. If you are having any problem, then we'll discuss this question first, and then only we'll start with a new topic, new question. In fact, tell me, Zainab and Renisha, both of you were able to solve it or not?
Yes, sir. I was able to solve it.
Okay, then. So since you have already solved it, let's move to the next question now. Zainab, what about you? Have you tried? Have you tried solving this question? You did this question, yes or no? Please confirm, Zainab, whether you have done it or not. I'm not getting any response from your side, so I'm assuming that you must have done it. Moving on to the next question. All right, so this is the third question that we are going to discuss regarding the depreciation. So let's read this question first. First of all, it says on 1st of April 2015, A Limited purchased a machine for 2,40,000 and spent rupees 10,000 on its erection. On 1st of October 2015, an additional machinery costing rupees 1 lakh was purchased. On 1st of October 2017, a machine purchased on 1st of April 2015 was sold for rupees 1,43,000, and on the same day, a new machine was purchased at a cost of rupees 2 lakh. Show the machinery account for the first 4 financial years after charging depreciation at a 5% per annum by straight line method. All right. So many information is given there in the question. Considering all these information, we need to prepare the account for the 4 financial years. All right. I hope the question is clear, everybody. Is it clear, Vanisha, Zainab?
Yes, sir.
All right then. So let's continue with the solution. Since the question is asking us to prepare the machinery account in this question for the 4 financial years. So we'll start with the year 2015-16 first, right? As the question start with the information of 1st April 2015, so we'll make the machinery account for the 2015-16 first, and for the next year 16, 17, 17, 18, and 18, 19. The solution to question number 3. This question requires us to prepare the machinery account for 4 financial years. So we're starting with financial year 2015-16. We'll write down machinery account. For the year 2015-16. Date particular. All right, so this is the account for the year 2015-16. Now let's get back to the question and let's start reading the information which is given in the question. So it says on 1st of April 2015, A Limited purchased a machinery for rupees 2,40,000. All right, so this need to be recorded in the, the machinery account, yes or no? Company have purchased machinery for 2,40,000 and it spent 10,000 on its erection. That means total cost of machinery will be how much? What is the total cost of machine, anyone? We'll write down to bank account because we have purchased machinery. Bank account will be debited to machinery account. So we'll write this down. Bank account. We have purchased a machinery for 2,40,000. So we'll write this as 2,40,000 plus we spent 10,000 on its erection. So I've told you that whatever the amount that we spent until the installation, it's considered part of cost. So 10,000 will be added in it. So this would be 2,50,000. Is that right? Tell me, Vanisha and Zainab and Laviva. Do you understand this? 240 plus 10, this will be 2,50,000. Is it clear, everybody? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then on 1st of October 2015, an additional machinery costing 1 lakh was purchased. That means in the same year, on 1st of October 2015, company A Limited had purchased one more machinery. Right? So that means on 1st of October 2015. So 1st of October 2015, company purchased one more machine. We'll write this again to bank. What was the amount of machine? 1 lakh. So 1 lakh will be debited to machinery account again. This is the new machine that company have bought. Is that right? Got it? Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me if it is clear. Okay. Then it says on 1st of October 2017, that means on the same day, machine purchased on 1st of April 2015 was sold for rupees 1,43,000. So see, it says on 1st of October, the machine that was purchased on 1st of April is being sold as well, right? So the machine that we have bought on 1st of April 2015, same machine is being sold on 1st of October. Tell me, when we will sell the machine, whether we will receive, whether bank will increase or decrease, well, whether we are going to receive the in amount or we are going to spend it. And on account of sale of machinery, what will happen? We are going to receive cash or there will be outflow of cash.
Receive cash.
Yes. So because we are going to receive cash, so ultimately bank account will be debited. That means, machine on the this transaction need to be recorded on the credit side of the machinery account, and we'll write this as on 1st of October 2015. We have sold machinery, so we'll write this as by bank. Machinery, which machinery was sold? Machinery that we have bought on 1st of April 2015. But same machinery was sold at a value of 1,43,000. So 143,000. All right, I hope this is clear. Is it clear? Tell me everyone if it is clear, yes or no. Just a minute. Give me a moment. Just a minute. Give me a moment. Okay, I think I have read something wrong in the question. See, question says that on 1st of October 2015, an additional machinery costing 1 lakh was purchased. And on 1st of October 2017, machine purchased on 1st of April 2015 was sold for 1,43,000. On the same date, a new machine was also purchased at a cost of 2 lakh to the machinery account. Okay. So the machinery that we have purchased on 1st of April 2015 is not being sold in this year. That is not being sold this year. We will be selling it in the year 2017, 17-18. All right. So there will be no entry for the sale of machinery right in the year 2015-16. Is that clear, everyone? Please tell me, Vanisha, Zainab, Labiba, is that clear to all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Zainab, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Zainab, are you there? Zainab. All right. So Vanisha and Labiba, I hope this is clear to both of you. Okay. Now see, there is no other transaction in the year 2015-16. Now we need to close this account. But before closing this account, we'll calculate the depreciation, yes or no? We'll calculate depreciation as on 31st of March 2016. We will calculate depreciation. We'll calculate depreciation. So we'll write down by depreciation. So first of all, we'll calculate depreciation on the first machine. We can write first machine as M1. Okay, so on M1, depreciation will be calculated on 2,50,000. Is that right? At 5% per annum. Is that right? For the entire year. Is that correct? That means for the entire 12 month, 12 upon 12. All right, is it clear, everybody? Is this clear, yes or no? This is the formula that we need to apply to calculate depreciation on the machinery one, first machine. M1 equals to 2,50,000 into 5% to 12 by 12. That means for the entire year. So the value will be, if it's calculated, both of you just let me know if you are not able to understand anything. I'm asking you continuously if you are having any problem understanding anything, let me know. Just don't keep on saying yes. If you're having problem, let me know. 12,500 is the depreciation on the first machine. Then we'll calculate the depreciation on the second machine as well, M2, that we have bought on 1st of October. So on 1 lakh, we will be charging depreciation of 5% per annum, right? But for how many months depreciation will be calculated in this case? Since we bought this machinery for 1st October only, on 1st of October only, So since 1st of October, depreciation will be calculated till the month of March. Is that clear? So October, November, December, January, February, and March. So the depreciation will be calculated for 6 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We will calculate depreciation for the 6 month period on this new machinery that we have bought on 1st of October 2015. So this will be 6 upon 12. All right, do you understand that? 1 lakh into 5% divided by 6 by 12, that means 1 by 2. 2500. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is the value by which the machinery, both the machinery have depreciated. Now we'll find out the closing value. So as on 31st of March 2016, closing value will be, that is by balance CD. By balance CD. By balance CD will be for the first machine, it will be 2,50,000 minus depreciation 12,500. And for M2, it will be 1 lakh minus 2,500. Okay. And subtracting this, you can write down the value here. So 2,50,000 minus 25 minus 12,500. This will be 2,47,500. Then 1 lakh minus 2,500. This will be 97,500. All right, is that clear, everybody? Now we can close this account. This will be 3,50,000 and 3,50,000 as well. Please tell me if this is clear. This is the account that we prepared for the year 2015-16. We need to prepare the machinery account for the 4 years. So that means 3 more financial years. For 3 more financial years, we need to prepare the machinery. I hope this is clear. Quickly note this down. If this is clear, everyone. Manisha Labiba, please write this down.
Sir.
Let me know as soon as you're done so that we can move to the next year. Let me know whenever you are done so that we can move to the next year. Machinery account for the next year 2016-17. Earlier we made the account for the year 2015-16. Now we'll be making for the year 2016-17. So in the year 2016-17, All right. So for the year 2015, 16, 17, we'll first of all write down the opening values. So as on 1st of April 2016, we'll write down the opening balance, yes or no? We'll write down to balance BD. Yes, Labiba and Vanisha, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and we'll write down the opening balance, carrying it from the last year's closing balance. So these values will be carried forward to the next year. So we'll write down for the first machine, opening balance will be 2,47,500, and for the other machine it will be 97,500. Okay, is that right? Now, in the second year, in the next year, I don't think there is any transaction that took place in the year 2016-17. Is there anything that have happened in the year 2016-17? Anything happened in the year 2016-17? Answer is no. Nothing happened in the year 2016-17. No new machine was purchased, no old machinery was sold. So we won't be doing anything in the year 2016-17. We'll simply find out the closing balance. We'll write down as on 31st of March 2017. We'll find out the closing balance by balance CD. But before that, we need to find out the depreciation as well. M1, M2. All right. So let's find out the depreciation as on 31st of March 2017. The depreciation will be calculated by depreciation account, right? And depreciation will be calculated on machinery 1. Tell me for how many months we will calculate depreciation on machine first. Tell me for how many months we will calculate depreciation on machine first. Tell me for the entire year or for we will be calculating the depreciation for the entire year now on machine 1. Tell me. Yeah, we will calculate depreciation on machine 1 for the entire year. So 2,37,500 multiplied by 5% into 12 by 12. All right. So let me calculate that. 2,37,500 into 5%. This is 11,875. And similarly, we will calculate depreciation on the machine 2 as well. And on machine 2, we will calculate depreciation at the rate 5%. But for how many months? Tell me. For how many months we will calculate depreciation on machine 2? Tell me quickly. Labiba, Vanisha. We will calculate the depreciation of machine 2 for the entire year as well. Since we have held this machinery for the 1 year period, na? This is the opening balance as on 1st of April, and we are calculating depreciation as on 31st of March. That means for the entire 12 months, we will be calculating depreciation on it. So on 97,500, 5% of 97,500 will be 4,875. All right. Now we'll write down the balancing figure of machine 1 and machine 2. So this will be 2,37,500 minus 11,875. All right. And subtracting this out of 2,37,500. Uh-oh. Just a minute. Just a minute. We need to apply the straight line method, na? we need to apply the straight line method. Na? So why am I calculating depreciation on the written down value? I'm sorry, everyone. All right. So on by straight line method, depreciation for machine one will be same as it was in the previous year. So on machine first, depreciation will be, what was the depreciation in the previous year? It was 12,500. No? So this time again, it will be 12,500 only. And for machine two, we will calculate depreciation for the entire year this time. Earlier, we just calculated depreciation on this machine for the 6-month period. But now we will calculate the depreciation on 1 lakh for the at 5% for the entire year. That means it will be 5,000. All right. So we will have to subtract this 2,37,500 minus 12,500 minus 12,500. This will be 12,500. This will be 2,25,000. And on M2, 97,500, we will depreciate it by 5,000. So it will be 92,500. All right. Is that clear? Is it clear now, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will simply total both the sides and tally the account. The 2,37,500, 2,37,500 plus 97,500. This will be 3,35,000. And here as well, it will be 3,35,000. Got it? Is it clear? This was the account, machinery account for the year 2016-17. Tell me if it is clear, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Written
sir.
this down. Everybody written it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I think.
Okay, so moving to the next year machinery account. We need to prepare
Sir, can
the,
you just show the previous one?
yeah, that's a minute, that's a minute. We need to prepare the machinery account for the year 2017-18 as well, and then after this for the year 2018-19 as well. Do it quickly, friend Alabika. Write this down.
Yes, sir.
Done. Okay then. So now let's prepare the account for the next year. Date, particular, amount, date, particular, and amount. Okay. Now we'll start with the opening balance. 1st of April 2017. Closing balance of the previous year will be carried forward to the next year. Right now. So we'll write down the opening balance to balance BD. As for the first machine, value is 2,25,000. And for the second machine, opening balance will be 92,500. Okay, is that clear? Now, there is some information regarding the year 2017-18 given in the question. Let's read the fourth line given in the question. It says on 1st of October 2017, 1st of October 2017, machine purchased, machine purchased on 1st of April 2015 was sold for 1,43,000, and on the same day, a new machine was purchased at a cost of rupees 2 lakh. Okay, so first of all, a new machinery is being purchased on the 1st of October 2017. So let's write that down first. On 1st of October 2017, a new machinery is being purchased. So that means bank account will be written over here to bank account, right? Or you can simply write down to bank. And amount is 1,42 lakh. The machine value of machine being bought in the year 2017 is 2 lakh. All right, this can be called as machine P. This is the third machine that company is purchasing. And on the same day, company have decided to sell a machinery as well. So on 1st of October 2017, machinery was sold as well. So we'll write this as by bank. This machinery is being sold at 1,43,000. Which machinery was sold? It was the machinery that we have bought on 1st of April 2015. That means machine 1 is being sold at a value of 1,43,000. All right, everyone. All right, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that okay? Now, see, for the remaining machine, you will have to calculate the depreciation as well as see. Machinery is being sold having a value of 2,25,000 is being sold at 1,43,000. So there is going to be a loss, na? Right? Let's talk. This machinery is being sold, na? Machine 1 is being sold at 1,43,000. So first of all, let's calculate depreciation on that machine. So depreciation, we'll calculate depreciation on 1st of October 2017 for the machinery being sold. So this machinery is being sold. So let's calculate depreciation on that. By depreciation on machine 1 will be how much? It will be 12,500, right? That is what we basically charge, 12,500, but for the half year only. So depreciation for the entire year is 12,500. But since this machine is being sold in the middle of the year, that means for this machine was held for a period of 6 months only. So we'll calculate depreciation for the 6 months only. That means 6 by 12. Depreciation for 6 months is 6250. All right. Now, see, pay attention, try to understand. What is the value of this machine as on 1st of October 2017? 2,25,000. This is the value of the machine 1, yes or no? On this, depreciation amounting to 6250. Let's reduce this depreciation. Let's reduce this much depreciation. 2,25,000 minus 6250. That means current value of this machine is 2,87,50. All right, this is the book value as on 1st of October 2017. This is the book value of this machine. Now, on the same date, it is being sold at a price of 1,43,000. So tell me whether we have a profit or a loss situation here. Machinery having a book value of 2,18,750 is being sold at 1,43,000. What do you think? There is a loss or profit?
So there is a loss.
Yes, there is a loss. There is a loss of 75,750 rupees. This is a loss, and this because this is a loss, this loss needs to be shown in the machinery account as well by the name of by P&L. We'll write this as by profit and loss account. By profit and loss account. 75750. There is a loss of 75,750 rupees. All right. This was about the machinery being sold. Now let's calculate the depreciation on the remaining machinery. We will have to find out the depreciation on the remaining machinery as well. So at the end of the year, as on 31st of March 2017, we will calculate the depreciation on the remaining machinery by depreciation. We'll calculate depreciation on the remaining machine. Which machinery is still remaining? M2 is remaining, and M3 that we have bought is also there. We'll calculate depreciation on M2. On M2, depreciation will be 5,000 since it is the straight line method, 5,000. And on M3, since we have bought this machine on 1st of October 2017, that means on 2 lakh, machine value of machine is 2 lakh. We'll charge depreciation at 5% per annum for the 6-month period only. All right, so that means 5,000 only. Depreciation for the M2 as well is 5,000. All of you are able to understand this, yes or no? Tell me, Vanisha, Labiba,
Yes,
if this
sir.
is clear, yes or no? Okay, now you'll find out the closing balance as on 31st of March 2017. No, 2018. I'm sorry. This will also be 2018. 2018. 2018. We'll find out the closing balance. We'll write this as by balance CD. Balancing figure for M2 and M3 is 92,000. Book value, opening value was 92,500. Out of this, we'll subtract 5,000 more. And for the new machinery that we have bought for 2 lakhs, we'll apply depreciation of 5,000. So this will be 1,95,000, right? And the other machinery will be 87,500. And now you can close this account. So totaling this, we will get 22,500. Sorry, 2,25,000 plus 92,500 plus 2 lakh is 51,7500. Tell me if it is clear, everybody. Tell me if it is clear, yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Done. Shall we move to the next year? We prepared the we prepared the machinery account for the 3 financial year. We need to prepare it for 1 more financial year. I hope this is clear, everybody. We've made it for the first We made it for the year 2015-16, then we made it for 2016-17, then for the year 17-18. Question requires us to prepare it for the 4 financial years, so you'll have to make one more account. We'll write this again as. Do you want to prepare the? Do you want to try the next year's account? Could you please prepare the machinery account for the year 18-19? All of you. Manisha, Labiba,
Okay, sir.
both of you. Let's try making the account for the next year. Both of you. For the year 2018, there is no adjustment for the year 2018-19. You can simply write down the opening balance, calculate depreciation upon that value, and find out the closing balance. That is it. Done. Labiba, Vanisha. Dan, Vanisha, Labiba. I think I'll have to prepare it for the next year as well. Anyways, let's do it for the year 2018-19. Because first of all, tell me what should I write? Tell me quickly. To balance VD, I'll write down the opening balance for M2 and M3. Opening balance of the M2 and M3 will be same as their closing balance, 87,500 and 1,95,000. And since no adjustment is there regarding the year 2018-19, we will simply calculate depreciation as on 31st of March 2019. Depreciation will be calculated on these two machines by the WDV method, SLM method. So on M2,